Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple lava farm in Minecraft. All the materials will be listed in the description below. To get started, place a line of cauldrons wherever you want. You can make this as long as you want or as short as you want. You can even make it one cauldron long. Build up your walls and then place a roof above the cauldrons. Like so. Come under the blocks and place pointed dripstones facing downwards into the cauldrons. You can also build a design out of any blocks you want. I just chose to use stone bricks. Come to the end and place a block, 2 blocks pointing outwards, then a line of glass blocks on both sides. Place 3 more blocks on the other side like so, then fill in the rest of the glass. And then place in your lava sources. And that should be basically done. The lava will drop down through the block into this dripstone and into the cauldron, filling up all the cauldrons. You can then create a design for your farm, so it doesn't look so blocky. I'll be using stairs and slabs. And then you can place a roof on it with slabs as well. Now if I increase the random text speed, you'll see all the cauldrons fill up with lava. And then once they're filled up with lava, you just walk over to them, pick them up with your bucket. That's all there is to it. You can also make other designs. This is exactly the same, just with a wall in the back. You can also curve them around corners if you want to fit them in a certain room. And you can also just use one cauldron if you want. Although if you use one cauldron, you'll get way less lava. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.